guys, today we take a look at the Amazon Kindle 10 Gen 6-inch display with 4 GB storage space, of which you can use only around 2.7 GB. That is a lot for ebooks, लेकिन अगर आप audiobooks download कर रहे हैं तो that's going to be a little bit less. If you're reading for 30 minutes every day, the battery should last you for around 4 weeks on full charge, which is pretty amazing. Anyways, this is the cheap one. What does that mean? That means that when you lock the screen, you get an advertisement of the Kindle library. तो वो एक स्क्रीन सेवर की तरह आ जाता है and that's not much of a deal breaker because you can just close the tablet and then keep it away. The tablet is charged with a USB mini cable and they have one which is already bundled with the tablet. Anyways, what is the use of this? You can actually use it to read your books instead of reading them on the mobile or on the iPad using the Kindle app. Well, the first impression is that the tablet is really small and really very light. In fact, it weighs only 174 grams. On the outside, it has one USB charging port and one power button right next to it. The full build is plastic. So this is an e-ink display and that does not really stress your eyes and it's very pleasant. यानी आंखों पे ना बहुत relief लगता है read करते time compared to when reading it on either the mobile or on the iPad where it stresses the eyes after reading it for a long time. Here is the tablet right next to a Samsung TV remote. The only reason I'm doing this is so that आपको एक idea मिले कि ये tablet कितना छोटा है. Now, once you start the tablet, you'll realize that Amazon is really trying to push its subscription model for the Kindle, right? It comes with a free 30-day trial that is unlimited. And if you really like to read books, then it is a subscription that you can look at. Now, the tablet connects to the internet through Wi-Fi, and you can see the touch response is very well. And the screen can also get really bright, which is very useful if you want to take the tablet outdoors and read. It also has Bluetooth and you can use this to connect it with a Bluetooth headphone or a speaker. And this is useful अगर आपने कोई audiobook खरीदी and you want to listen to that. So I tried pairing this with my Bose headphones and the process was very smooth. For the reading experience in a room, I noticed that it is pleasant to read even with the backlight turned off completely. And I think this will actually help you save and extend the battery life a lot more. In a dark room though, when you switch the lights off, थोड़ा सा backlight on करना पड़ेगा to make it something that is convenient for the eyes. As you can see, if I turn off the lights and I turn off the backlight completely, it's unreadable. You can't even see anything. Now the only thing that took me time to get used to is the refresh rate of the screen. Now since this is an e-ink display, when the content of the page changes significantly, the screen kind of goes black for some time before the screen refreshes, right? And here you can see that when I'm turning the pages, if the content is the same, it's fine. The refresh is not that noticeable. But as soon as there is a graph or some other content which is largely different from the previous page, the screen refresh can be noticed. So currently at 8,000 rupees, it's pretty expensive. And I've seen it drop down to 7,200 during sales, but even then it's expensive, especially considering that I got it for around 4,600 during the sale. So if you want a dedicated reading tablet and you do not want to drain your mobile battery, then okay, you can actually go for something like this and I would recommend it. But if you don't want to spend so much and you don't really read a lot, then you can just stick to reading your ebooks on the Kindle app. But if you do and you like to take your books along with you, then this is really good. And you can even look at the higher end models which have a better refresh rate and a better display and slightly larger display as well and with more space. So you can look at those tablets as well from Amazon. But overall, I think it's a good tablet, but at the price point that it is right now, I'm not sure if it's something that I would recommend to everyone. So if you're just reading your books while traveling or commuting, then you can just open up your mobile and read it, unless you are really concerned about your battery life and draining that out. If that's not the case, then I don't see why you would want to buy this. So anyways, I mean, hope you liked the video and hope you found it useful. If you did, then hit the thumbs up button. If you did not, then you know what to do. And until next time, see you. Bye.